Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Arushi Bora, Solutions Engineer on the Kognitos team. Today we're going to walk through the various components of our platform. We're going to start off with the playground in this video. So the playground is more like a scratch pad where you can build your automations, modify them, debug them, and run them and test them multiple times. So we're going to start off with, first I'll tell you what is the difference between a playground automation and a process. A process is when you're like one step closer to automation. So a process can be triggered how you would trigger in production, either through an API call or an email. But a playground automation, you can only trigger using the play button. It's basically like a test run of how your process should look. So in this scratch pad is where you can write your automation. For example, test one. So you see this is editable. The unique feature of a playground is that it has a debugger. When you hover to the left of a line, you can see this bug button. When you click on this, you can add a start and an end point and debug that certain block. This way, your debugging process becomes more streamlined and easy as you're able to debug line by line of the code without disrupting the entire run and flow. Now when we move to the right pane of a playground, we have three options: chat, information, and questions. So chat is where you can talk to our AI assistant called Hal, where you can ask for debugging questions, to create new KLang, to add more functionalities to your current automation, or ask it to create a KLang from scratch. Then you have the information tab, which tells you which data was extracted, which data was stored, which document was uploaded, or any value that was noted. The questions, it helps you handle exceptions. We will talk about exception handling in our following videos, but this is the tab where you would see questions and you can give inputs. You could do the same in the chat as well. So the chat and questions are two places where you could handle exceptions. On the left side of the pane, you can view all your playgrounds. When you click that button, you can view all the processes, exceptions, learnings, bugs, histories, and the dry run. We will talk about each of these components as the videos progress. Here is where you can create a process from a playground. And in these three buttons, you can create new playgrounds, duplicate them, delete them. Thank you so much for watching, and in the next videos, we'll talk about the various components of our platform.